I'm Rylie Teeter, and I'm going to give you some tips on improving ankle comfort. First, look to what's on your feet. Wear comfortable lace-up tennis-style shoes and socks. From there, adjust the ankle comfort dial. Now this goes to a high or low position, and the reason we have this is so that the ankles secure on the smallest part of the ankle, and that is going to provide you not only with better comfort, but improve the balancing on the table because you won't have body slide. Next, you're going to want to secure the ankles. You want to get a secure fit, obviously, where it's nice and snug against the ankle, but not overly tight so that you're restricting blood flow. So just get it clamped in and then wiggle around a bit. You should feel it wrapping all the way around the ankle, but not squeezing too tight. From here, lay back, and I want you to think about relaxing those feet. You don't want to be hyper flexing and trying to hold yourself into position. That's what those ankle comfort cups are for, and let them do their job. From here, you can just lay back and relax. Your total inversion session should take about 3 to 5 minutes. That's all you need to get all the great benefits for relieving back pain. But if that's too long for your ankles, feel free to rotate back up to horizontal, let them have a little break, and then go back down. And actually, this intermittent traction, also called oscillation, is a great way to improve your circulation. So easier on the ankles and also has some added benefits. So I hope that these tips and tricks have given you a little bit of insight on how to have the best inversion experience. And remember, at Teeter, we've got your back.